uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela. So guys, one of you requested this song, jesu uya halalela. Okay, I will use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Ne? So before wasting of time, let's get straight to it. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, our song starts right here. Jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela. So very simple, ne? This one is simple. It's sang like a lot of people. This song a lot of people are familiar with, ne? Jesu uya hala on 4, halalela. Then you go to 1, uya hala. Then you go to 5. Then immediately go to 2, lela. Then you go to 1, ne? Uya hala. You go to what? To 4 again, lela. Then you go to 1 again, jesu uya hala. Then you can go to 5, ne? After that you go to 4, lela. Then close it, ne? Very simple, like la lela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela. So let's go to F sharp. As far as we saw it in G sharp, let's go to F sharp, ne? So our song in F sharp, it starts right here on this chord, ne? It also starts on 4, ne? Jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya. You can do something like this 5, ne? You can use this 5, ne? This one, lela. Then go to 1, ne? Jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela, jesu uya halalela. I hope you can all see it, ne? It starts right here. Then it goes right here, ne? Then it goes here, then it goes here, then it comes back here, ne? Then it starts again, then it goes here, so very simple. I hope you all saw it, ne? So before any waste of time, let's go to G sharp, ne? Sorry, C sharp, ne? It's C sharp, which is D flat, ne? So yeah, it starts right here on 4 again, ne? Then it goes to here, then it goes here. This one, ne? Then it goes here, then it comes here, ne? Then you start it again, then it Let's start it. Jesu halalela, Jesu halalela, Jesu halalela. So yeah, it's how it goes in C sharp, ne? Yeah. Thank you.